Alright, this is a video for 3VT about the diagnostic test of chapter 6. This is exercise 8. It has a B in front of it. That means it's a more difficult exercise than some others. But in general, I think this one is alright. We need to calculate angle B. Now, angle B is over here. And angle B is part of triangle FBC, this triangle over here. And here's the 90-degree angle. If you want to calculate this angle, you need to know two of the sides. So either BC, right, or CF, or BF. You need to know two of them. So we can't really directly see what the length of one of those is, so we need to use the rest of this whole shape to figure some things out. Now, one thing that I notice is that on the other side you have triangle AED. And with this triangle we can calculate both DE and AE. So that's what we're going to do. First I'm going to calculate the AE. So I'm going to use the cosine, because AE is the adjacent side and this is the hypotenuse. So the cosine of 60, cosine 60 equals the adjacent side divided by the hypotenuse. So if I want to calculate AE, I have to do 3.6 times the cosine of 60. Now if you calculate that, then you will get 1.9. Alright. And then if you want to calculate what BF is, BF, we can do this whole length. So 6.9 minus 1.9 and then minus 1.2. So there you get 3.8. So now we know BF. BF is 3.8. But I also want to know CF. Now CF is the same as DE. So we're going to calculate DE using the sine. So now I write down that the sine of 60 is the opposite side, which is DE, divided by the hypotenuse, which is 3.8. So if I want to calculate DE, I have to do 3.8 times the sine of 60. Now if you calculate that, we get 3.29 and then some more decimal places. So try to leave as many decimal places as you can, right? Or you can also use this in your next calculation, because the more decimal places you keep, the better your final answer will be. So now we're going to calculate angle B. So angle B is the tangent, minus 1. And then the opposite side, which is 3.29. divided by the adjacent side, which was 3.8. And then if you calculate that, we get the angle, which is 40.9 degrees. Now if you want to do this as exact as possible, right, then you could have calculated angle B by doing the tangent minus 1, and then here instead of writing down 3.29, you can write down 3.8 times the sine of 60, right, and then divided by, and then this one, 3.8 times the cosine of 60. And then your answer is exact as it can be. But I don't think it makes any difference. If you type this in, I think you also get 40.9 rounded off to one decimal place. And you should always round it off to one decimal place. So this was exercise 8. Overall, it's not too big. Right? Only took 3 minutes to write down. But hopefully you could follow it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye-bye.